From a simple idea to an incredible machine, this builder creates a fully functional UFO boat completely from scratch. Using steel, aluminum, fiberglass, and advanced marine electronics, every part is carefully measured, cut, welded, and assembled with precision. The futuristic cockpit features modern controls, LED lighting, and a sleek design. Powerful electric motors and waterproof systems are installed to ensure smooth performance on the water. After sanding and painting the body, the final masterpiece is ready for testing. As the UFO boat enters the lake, it floats perfectly and glides across the water with amazing stability and style. This incredible project proves that creativity, engineering, and determination can turn even the boldest ideas into reality. If you enjoyed this amazing build, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible DIY engineering projects.